Mahirap na kasi.
No, 1 round lang to guys, no booster. Nahimik na lang. Ayun to kuya Dan. Thank you, Akinti.
Level 24 ka na.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Pinagandaan talaga nito eh. Thank you, Kuya Sige.
Mami Queen, thank you.
Pinagandaan talaga. Thank you, Kuya Ano. Thank you, Shani. Pinagandaan talaga nito. Pinagandaan.
Ito wala yung nabit.
Thank you, Kuya Dan. Ala, thank you, Kuya Jam. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mami. Ay,
Thank you, Kuya Tyler. Thank you, Kuya Natin. Thank you, Kuya Jeep. Ala, thank you, Kuya Pikachu. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kuya Pikachu. Thank you. Binimig ako. Thank you, Kuya Jones.
Hindi tayo.
Ala, thank you, Kuya Pikachu. Thank you.
Malakas talaga yun.
Wala ka, ikaw nga binaganda ka ng
Family.
Kuya Pikachu, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shunti.
Thank you, ano ka dyan? Thank you, Rani. Naging naman, no?
Amen, bro. Hi, Kuya Awin. Welcome, Kuya Awin.
Thank you, Kuya Pikachu. Double legs. Ala. Grabe. Ano? Grabe, sim lang talaga yung ano, store, oh.
Nino.
Sim lang talaga yung store.
Ako, buti ka ninong. Thank you for visit my love, Nino.
Golden Globe. Thank you, Kuya Raquel.
Shunti, thank you.
Thank you, Kuya Raquel. Ala, thank you, Kuya Pikachu. Thank you, Kuya Pikachu. Thank you, Kuya Sen. Nagandaan talaga. Thank you, Kuya Sen. Ala, thank you, Archie. Kapay-tay lang talaga yung gusto. Thank you, Kuya Sin. Thank you, Kuya Pikachu. Ala, grabe. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Hello. Sinabi. Hello, Kuya Ring. Grabe, pinagandaan nito. Ala, thank you, Kuya Ring. Ala, thank you, Kuya Ring. Ala, Ring.
Thank you, Ate.
Ala, thank you, Kuya Dom.
Lila, thank you so much.
Ala, thank you, Kuya Dom. Thank you. Grabe yung gusto ko magpapares-parehas lang, oh. Thank you, Kuya Kuya. Grabe talaga yung mga pangalit. Grabe, thank you, Kuya Pikachu. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, Kuya Tyler.
Thank you so much. Kahit mag-ano yan.
Thank you so much, Kuya Pikachu.
Oo nga po.
Thank you, Kuya Jonas.
Everyone guys, thank you so much for staying with us guys, everyone.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Kuya.
Kuya Yu, Leila, Ate Arabing,
Thank you so much.
Ate Miss Ara,
Kuya Jay.
Awin.
Yung ayaw.
Hindi ko nabanggit na lahat. Thank you so much. Lahat, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Hello guys. Um, ah, gikan ko sa baryo. Itong nag-cash out ko aning kwartaha nga binigay ni Lord nga blessing na dumaan sa aking family sa TikTok na sila Ate Love, Kuya Gemini, Kuya Awin, Ninong, Ate Miss Ara at Ate Arabella at lalong-lalo na kan Leila at Ate Zai. Thank you so much guys sa suporta nyo sa akin sa pag-stream. Pag-stream. Grabing tulong nyo sa akin. Tulong nito. Thank you so much guys. I love you. Oops, hindi kita makakalimutan, Mami Queen. Kung wala ka, wala sila. Thank you so much, Mami Queen. And lalo na si Ate Miss A, hindi ko nabanggit siya. Si Ate Miss A kanina, hindi ko nabanggit. Si Ate Miss A at saka si Shonti, yung ibang mga supporters ko nagtap-tap. Hindi ko na alam kung anong pangalan nila. Thank you so much guys. We won. My MVP is Kopol, Ate Love of Kuya Yu, and Laila. Thank you so much guys. And I pray guys na more blessing to come sa inyo po. Thank you. I'm really appreciate. Thank you so much. I love you guys.